Today is the last day of the Caboose adventure, and it is September the 14th, 2022. Bruce is sitting out by the fire, as you can see down there. There he is. There's our Caboose. We have Doug's bike back there. We have the water and a little picnic area. And our Caboose. We're in the middle of nowhere. The Caboose does have a bathroom and a shower, which is nice. Down. Picnic area. Nobody for miles. It's just all ours. Our stream. There's the whistle, Bruce. That's the whistle. That means it's time for us to go.